Take a deep breath. Hold it. Now, let it go. Feel any different? That's just a glimpse of the power of deep breathing. In a world that moves at breakneck speed, learning to harness the calm and clarity of your breath is more than a skill. It's a necessity for mental and physical health. In this video, we will dive deep into the art of deep breathing, a key to unlocking a more relaxed, healthier version of you. Whether you are looking to combat stress, improve your focus, or simply find a moment of peace in your hectic day, these techniques are your gateway to well-being. Stick with us as we explore how something as simple as breathing can transform not just moments, but entire life. You will learn practical breathing exercises that you can use anytime, anywhere, to calm your mind and restore your body. Deep breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing, involves drawing air deep into the lungs, causing the diaphragm to press down and the belly to expand. This is in contrast to shallow breathing, which engages only the upper chest and limits the amount of oxygen intake. While shallow breathing is common, especially under stress, it often leads to increased tension and anxiety. Deep breathing, on the other hand, maximizes oxygen exchange and triggers the body's natural relaxation response. Physiologically, deep breathing enhances the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a state of calmness. It helps reduce heart rate and blood pressure, making it an excellent tool for stress management. Psychologically, practicing deep breathing can lead to a decrease in cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase the production of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. This shift not only alleviates stress, but also enhances overall mood and emotional well-being. By simply changing the way you breathe, you can profoundly affect both your mental and physical health. Deep breathing acts as a bridge, connecting the state of your body to the state of your mind, allowing them to work together towards natural balance and harmony. Deep breathing is more than just a momentary relief. It offers a host of enduring benefits that can transform your day-to-day life. Let's explore some of the most significant impacts of incorporating deep breathing into your routine. Number 1. Reduced anxiety. One of the immediate benefits of deep breathing is the reduction of anxiety. By focusing on deep, controlled breath, you engage your body's natural ability to relax, diminishing anxiety and helping you regain a state of calm in any stressful situation. Number 2. Lower blood pressure. Regular practice of deep breathing exercises can also lower blood pressure. It slows the heart rate and allows the blood vessels to relax, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Over time, this can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 3. Improved concentration. Deep breathing also aids in enhancing concentration and mental focus. By increasing the oxygen flow to your brain, it clears your thoughts and allows the greater cognitive performance. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to boost productivity or enhance their learning capabilities. Number 4. Enhanced digestive function. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, deep breathing also optimizes the functions of your digestive system. It helps your body digest food more efficiently, which can contribute to better health and energy level. Number 5. Stabilization of emotions. Engaging in deep breathing can help regulate your emotions, making it easier to manage mood swings and irritability. This emotional balance is crucial for maintaining personal relationships and professional stability. These benefits show how powerful deep breathing can be when practiced regularly. It's not just about the moment of practice, it's about the lasting change it brings to your life's quality and your ability to handle stress and challenges. Mastering deep breathing techniques can provide you with tools to instantly access calm and focus. Let's explore several effective methods you can incorporate into your daily routine. Number 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Start by lying flat or sitting comfortably with one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Breathe in slowly through your nose, ensuring your diaphragm inflates enough to stretch the lungs. The hand on your belly should rise higher than the one on your chest. Exhale slowly through pursed lips. This is great for relaxation and stress reduction. Number 2. 4-7-8 breathing. This technique involves breathing in 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling for 8 seconds. It's particularly effective for falling asleep or calming nerves quickly. Inhale quietly through your nose, hold, then exhale through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Number 3. Box breathing. Also known as square breathing, this involves inhaling for a count of 4, holding the lungs full for a count of 4, exhaling for 4, and holding the lungs empty for 4. This technique is used by athletes and in the military to focus and calm the mind. Number 4. Alternative Nostril Breathing. This yoga breathing practice involves closing one nostril while breathing through the other. Begin by holding your right nostril closed and inhale through the left. Then close the left nostril, open the right, and exhale. Inhale through the right nostril, switch, and exhale through the left. This helps to balance the body and calm the mind. Practicing these techniques regularly can enhance your ability to control your breathing and, by extension, your emotional state and stress levels. Try each method and see which one resonates best with your needs and lifestyle. To gain the full benefits of deep breathing, consistency is key. Here are some tips on how to effectively incorporate these techniques into your daily life. Tip number 1. Schedule regular practice. Like any skill, deep breathing becomes more natural and effective with regular practice. Aim to practice at least twice a day. Start with a few minutes each morning to set a calm tone for the day, and then again in the evening to unwind. Tip number 2. Use trigger events. Incorporate deep breathing into your daily activities as a response to specific triggers. For example, practice a minute of focused breathing every time you check your email or brew a cup of coffee. This helps turn occasional practice into a habitual part of your day. Tip number 3. Create a calm environment. Whenever possible, practice in a quiet and comfortable setting. This could be a dedicated corner of your home, a park, or even your car parked in a serene location. The right environment can enhance the effects of your breathing exercises. Tip number 4. Pair with other relaxation techniques. Combine deep breathing with other relaxation techniques such as gentle stretching, meditation, or listening to soothing music. This can amplify the benefits and make your practice more enjoyable and effective. Tip number 5. Adapt to your needs. Adjust the length and frequency of your breathing sessions based on your schedule and how you feel. Even a few rounds of deep breathing can be beneficial, so don't hesitate to take short breath breaks throughout your day, especially during stressful moments. Remember, the goal is not perfection but progress. With each breath, you have the opportunity to improve your health, clear your mind, and reduce stress. Let these moments of deep breathing be your daily retreat from the hustles and bustles of life. Deep breathing isn't just for moments of meditation. It's a versatile tool that can be woven into the very fabric of your daily life. Here is how you can make deep breathing a natural part of your day, no matter where you are or what you are doing. Use your coffee breaks or any short pauses in your workday to engage in a few minutes of deep breathing. Find a quiet spot, perhaps a seldom-used conference room or a bench outside, and allow yourself these moments to reset. Before you enter a stressful meeting or engage in difficult conversation, take a minute to practice deep breathing. These can help clear your mind, reduce anxiety, and enhance your ability to handle challenging situations with grace. Make deep breathing part of your morning routine. Before you even get out of bed, spend a few moments breathing deeply. This sets a calm, positive tone for your day, filling you with energy and a peaceful mindset to start things off right. Incorporate deep breathing into your nightly routine to improve the quality of your sleep. As you lie down for the night, let go of the day's stresses with each exhale, inviting calm and peace to prepare your mind and body for rest. With consistent practice, these deep breathing moments can become reflexive responses to your daily rhythms, greatly enhancing your emotional and physical well-being. Each breath is an opportunity to center yourself, manage stress, and approach life with renewed clarity and balance. As we conclude our journey into deep breathing techniques, remember that the simple act of taking a deep breath can be a powerful tool for managing stress, enhancing focus, and cultivating an overall sense of well-being. Today, we've explored a variety of techniques, from diaphragmatic breathing to 4-7-8 breathing, each offering unique benefits to both your mind and body. Start with one technique that resonates with you and practice it regularly. As you become more comfortable, try integrating more techniques into different parts of your day. Whether you are taking a few deep breaths before a stressful meeting or winding down at night, each breath is a step towards a calmer, more centered you. Remember, the key is consistency. Small, regular sessions are more beneficial than occasional, lengthy sessions. If you have found these techniques helpful or have your own experiences with deep breathing to share, please comment below. We love hearing how our community integrates these practices into their daily lives. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share the calm. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kay's Calm Kit for more content that supports your wellness journey. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos on mindfulness and daily affirmations, which can further enhance your practice of deep breathing. Thank you for watching, and remember, every breath is a new beginning. Keep breathing, keep relaxing, and keep watching Kay's Calm Kit to continue your journey towards a healthier, more fulfilling life. Much love.